Hi Ross, so just a quick video to talk through why the email triggers aren't firing. So Shanna just contacted me from the IT department or wherever she works to say that you were having issues with email triggers, just there was no emails being received. So there's a couple of things I noticed in the trigger setup that might be causing this. So if we have a look at the first one, and it's happening in a good few of these, but if we have a look at the first one, I see for the logic it says if question 6 this is selected or this is selected and this is selected. So this question only allows for one answer choice, so it's not possible for two answer choices to be chosen. So it's not possible for this and this to be selected. So therefore this condition will never actually be met, and that's why this one is not firing. So this will need to be changed from an and to an or in order for it to work. That's the case with quite a lot of these, because pretty much all of them are being based off of question 6. So again, in here that and needs to be changed to an or. And then there's a few in here actually in this trigger right here. If it ever loads up. There we are. There's 2 in here that needs to be changed to or instead of and. That one's the same. But the other thing that I noticed in some of these is, for example, take this one. For the emails, I see you have bmurdoch@london.edu and then a semicolon to distinguish when another email is coming. So we won't actually recognize semicolons as distinguished or as delimiters. This needs to be a comma in order for it to know that this is the end of this email address. So with the semicolon, currently it's counting that as part of the email as well. So therefore it's not actually delivering, because this email will fail because it's not a real email address. So you just need to change this to be a comma to separate each email address. So just have a look down through your triggers for semicolons as well to make sure that they are not present. And it's the same here actually in this one. Even when there's only one email being used, there's still a semicolon at the end, so just need to remove that. As far as I can see, they're the only 2 things that are causing issues. So just have a look down through the email triggers, make sure that all of these say or instead of and that there's no semicolon in the email area. And that should make all of the triggers work. But if you do see any persisting issues after you make these changes, please just let me know and I can have another look through it again.